Understanding where to get care can really depend on a few different factors. The urgency of the care you need, the time of day, and your current location can all affect where you will need to get your care. The first step is assessing your situation. Your primary care provider, or PCP, will often be your main source of healthcare needs. Let's say you would like to get a routine checkup or some sort of preventive care. This type of care can be handled by your PCP and can be scheduled ahead of time. You can schedule an appointment by calling your provider's office or by logging into your MyChart account. Urgent care centers are a great resource for minor emergencies. If you need care, but it is after normal doctor office hours, or you cannot wait until a scheduled appointment, you can go to an urgent care center. Urgent care centers are typically open later than your PCP and can see you without an appointment. Checking if an urgent care center is covered by your plan is recommended before going to receive care. An emergency typically needs to be taken care of immediately, and any delay could be harmful to your health. If you need emergency care, call 911 or go directly to the ER. Do not hesitate to receive emergency care if the issue appears to be life-threatening. Traveling can be exciting and fun, but sometimes a curveball can be thrown your way. If you need medical care while outside your home network, the urgency of your medical issue will determine where you will get your care. If the issue can wait until you are back in your home network, it is best to contact your PCP and set up an appointment. However, if it is an emergency, you will need to call 911 or go to an ER immediately.